Hello, sports fans. Ninja and I are bringing you a late night edition as she's giving me some love on my sweatpants because it is about midnight and she loves my feet. I don't know why. Can't pet her that much, but she loves the feet. So it's about midnight and I'm doing my kind of evening routine. And I thought I'd kind of fill you in because I think I do things a little different, a little weird. Hey, weirdos, unite, Chrome. And wanted to give you a little insight on what things look like in the evening. This is really after ninjas come in because when she's out after dark, I'll have the blinds open so I could see out. I'll have my bedroom window cracked so I could hear for coyotes and things like that. And of course, I have the front door open with the lights on, letting all the cold air in. But typically around 10, 11, 12 at night, she will come inside, which means I batten down all the hatchets, close all the blinds, as you can see, all the way down. Right now with northern Arizona where I'm at, I'm now in like 50-degree nights and maybe 75-degree temperatures for Fahrenheit for days. So it's a little chilly. So you can see I've got my hoodie on, I've got my sweats on, I've got my headlamp on, and let me kind of show you around what's going on. So the first thing is, depending on the time of night, I might have on that bright light up there. I usually do that after sunset because that lasts about 4 hours and it's really bright. It's rechargeable. But then I go to the Lucy solar rechargeable light. And let me show you why. If I can find the off switch. There we go. So yeah, the camera light's on. So it's a lot brighter than it normally would be. But we're pretty much in dark here. Everything's off. And we come into the bedroom. Now again, because it's getting a little chilly, I have pulled the covers back and I'm starting to get under the covers in the evening around 10 o'clock. Normally I'm on top, it's no problem. I've got a solar and USB rechargeable light there above my bed. Some adult beverages, another solar light over there. And as you can see, everything's battened down. Curtains are closed, windows are closed. And it's time for Ninja and I to be in bed. Okay, so now I've climbed under the covers, turned off all the lights except the phone video light. Ninja is knowing that she's going to come to bed. Again, I've got an adult beverage there. I've got my baby wipes. I do have some honey roasted salted peanuts if I get a little munchy. And the Blue Eddy here is basically for charging my cell phone if the battery dies. If I'm sitting here watching YouTube for 2 hours and the battery dies, I just use that. Eventually, I'm going to get a nice shelf that goes across that holds all this stuff there and nothing on the bed. Come on in, Ninja. Come into bed. Come into bed with Daddy. Now you can see she's got her bed there. I put an extra blanket. There's my legs. Sometimes she'll lay right between those. And maybe when I turn off the light, she'll decide to come up and get into bed. As you can see, the only light on is the Solar Lucy light. I'll leave that on till I know I'm probably about ready for final bedtime. Then I'll turn on the oven's blue lights. They leave a little blue glow for a night light. Not that Ninja needs it, but if I get up to have to go potty and find one of my pee bottles, then I've got that. Yes, I use pee bottles because I don't want to fill up the black tank with 5 gallons of pee every day. So I've turned on a, okay, let me get this. Come on, wait, hold on. Here we go. Ninja under the covers, down between my legs. And she's in bed for the night. So I used a RV light here, LED, just to get a little illumination. But yeah, I'll watch my YouTube videos for a little bit here, play a little Age of Origins zombie game, and maybe do a final bathroom break. Maybe grab one more adult beverage and turn on the night light, the blue ones on the oven, and call it a night. So there you go. Hey, from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps. And also, if you haven't subscribed, we'd really love to have you aboard as part of the Luck community. Really helps the channel grow, and we'd really love to have you subscribe and get alerted anytime I post a new video, which is every day or two.